Alright, what do we got here? Newark food review. I don't know what it's called. I'm just hungry. This was $13.86. $13.86. Philly cheesesteak, Newark, New Jersey. Friday, August 14th, 9:17 p.m. 2026. French fries, napkins, 3 ketchups. Combo. So, more ketchups. It's on Google Maps. Let's see. It was they were nice. The place was busy. These smell really good. Place was busy. New York fried chicken and pizza. These guys, $13.86 for this one combo meal. 514 Clinton Ave, Newark, New Jersey, 07108. New York fried chicken and pizza. Fries, nice and crispy. They smell great. No salt, but good amount of fries. My teeth are getting better. Ow. Really good fries. They're like Burger King fries, which is my favorite. Fries are a 9 out of 10. They just need salt. Those are really good fries. Carry out Philly cheesesteak combo. That's right. It did come with a Pepsi. I put that in the fridge. Haven't had cheesesteak in a while. It's a good size. That's not a bad price. Wow, that was really good. Yeah, this is what a cheesesteak should look like. It depends who you talk to. It has peppers. I love American cheese, so I'm not gonna complain about that. Peppers, steak. Nice. Caramelized onions. It's great. Do I taste ketchup? Ah, there's ketchup. I would do without the ketchup, but it's your gold standard cheesesteak. I don't know why I put ketchup on it, but the flavor is good. Decent amount of meat. The bread is fresh. It's not freshly made, like, it's good bread. It's not stale. It's good. It's really good. I'm very happy with it. This and a beer. What more do you need? It's good. I don't know why there's ketchup on it. It's a little weird to me, but it's good. It hits the spot. I do think this is expensive for $14, but what do I know? A fucking Motel 6 is $140 now, so what do I know? It's giga hyperinflation. It's deja vu. I don't know. This is all the food I have after having to leave so quickly. So we're going to save it. Besides, I'm actually getting kind of full anyway. It's good. It's good. I'm not going to rate it. Fries are really good. Cheesesteak's good. It's just expensive for what it is. And they need salt. I didn't bring any salt with me.